Hello everyone, welcome back to SQL 0 to Hero sessions. As part of today's session, okay, we are going to talk about how to set up, okay, how to set up Snowflake account with VS Code. See, there are many ways we have discussed about. So it's like in order to practice SQL, either you can go with MySQL or you can go with UI. Okay, it's a web browser. Or if you want to work with VS Code, what are the things it is required? That is what we are going to see now. Suppose if you want MySQL that is already we have installed, go to search and type workbench here. Okay, workbench here. So once it is open, okay, here you can practice. Here you can practice. So you can provide your password here. So this is one way. This is one way to practice SQL. Okay, there are many ways. Okay, there are many IDEs. It is available in the market. But in this playlist, mainly we are going to talk about MySQL workbench. Suppose if I want to practice my SQLs, okay, I want to write something here. Okay, I'm going to use MySQL, or I have created one Snowflake account. The same way you can also create one Snowflake account. Okay, this is your login URL. Login into Snowflake. Username is SQL 0 to Hero. Provide your password here. Okay, this is another way of working. Okay, or this is another way of practicing your SQLs. Okay, practicing your SQLs. So here also you can practice. But this account, it is available for only 120 days. Again, you need to create another account. Another account. Okay, fine. Now, today, we are going to see how to work with VS Code. Okay, what is VS Code here? VS Code is nothing but Visual Studio Code. Okay, first you need to download that Visual Studio Code. VS Code download. Just try to type VS Code download. Click on very first link. Okay, so here you can see if it is your operating system as Mac, then you can select this one. If it is Ubuntu, okay, Red Hat, you can go with this one. And if it is Windows, you can try to select this one. See, we have user installer and system installer. Okay, click on this user installer. Okay, click on this x64. So mine it is 64-bit operating system. Just click on this one. See, as soon as if you click that one, automatically it is going to download. Okay, automatically it is going to download. Suppose if you see this option is not working, then you can click on this direct download link. Direct download link. Anyway, I'm going to provide this link in the video description. You can directly take that link and you can download the VS Code first. Okay, mine VS Code is already downloaded, and so where it is available? It's available in downloads, right? It's available in downloads. Okay. Now what you can do is copy the software and keep it into one folder. Okay, better always. See, mine it is already downloaded and installed, and I kept it into softwares. Okay, D drive and softwares. So why we are keeping here? Suppose if it is uninstalled or it is crashed, so you no need to download again and again. So this is like a backup software, okay? And just give right click and run as administrator or open. And you need to click on select, okay? And you need to select next, okay? First you need to accept this, click on next. If you want to create desktop icon, just create it, click on next and click on install. So mine it is already installed, then I'm not going to install again. So what you can do, you can install this one. Okay, I'm going to cancel here. Now, once it is installed, you can go to search and type Visual Studio Code. Okay, just type Visual Studio Code and click on file and click on new window. Okay, click on new window. So the very first time your VS Code is looks like this. Okay, looks like this. Then what you need to do, observe here. Here we need to add one extension. Okay, one extension. Click on this extensions, this option. Okay, click on this one. So here we have a search option here. In this search, what you need to do, okay, we need to type Snowflake. Okay, you need to type Snowflake and click on this first option. So here you can see install option here. Install. So it is installing now. So this is the extension and how it is going to work. Everything you can say it in a description like this now. Okay, just observe in the details page. See here how it is going to work. Okay, how you need to set up. Okay, everything it is available here. See, once it is done, what you need to do, you need to add your account here. You need to add your account and you need to log in with your credentials. Okay, that's fine. See, as soon as if we install, so here you can see Snowflake symbol. Okay, Snowflake symbol. You need to take, okay, now just click on this Snowflake symbol here. Just click on this Snowflake symbol. If you want, you can close this one. So here, so it is showing like, okay, I have already signed in with different account. Okay, earlier might be. Now click on sign into another account. So here you need to provide account URL. So what is account URL? Okay, this is very important. Just observe here. Click on this option. So here you can see, go to your profile, go to your profile and copy this. Copy account URL. Okay, copy account URL. Just you can provide this one. Okay, just you can provide this and click on continue. The username. Okay, so how you are going to log in with username and password. So what is the username here? So my username is SQL02 hero. The password you need to type here and click on sign in. See, as soon as you log in, right? So here you can see what are the databases it is available. So it is a replication of web UI. Okay, it's a replication of web UI. Suppose you want to create something here. Suppose if you create one more database. Okay, let me create one more database here. Create database VI Tech. Okay, now the database is created here. Okay, VI Tech is created. Now, if you go here and if you refresh, see here also VI Tech it is available. Okay, VI Tech it is available. See what are the tables it is available here. Test. Okay, we have a test table. We have a table called test. Now you want to work. You want to write SQLs here. So what you can do, click on this plus. Okay, click on this plus option. It's like you can open SQL file here. Now you can see which database you want to use. Okay, use ViVision. So here itself we have an option called execute. Okay, on top of this SQL query, just we have an execute. Okay, now show tables. What are the tables it is available? Execute this. See, we have one table called test. Now I want to create one table. Create a table. Okay, let me copy paste. So instead of typing. So anyway, we are going to talk about how to create the table and how to insert the data going forward session. But in this video, just we are going to learn mainly how to set up Snowflake account in a VS Code and how to work with that. Okay, that is very important. Yeah, that is very important. So I have one table. See here, create or replace table. So I'm going to keep it as sales. Okay. So my table name is sales now. Select this one and try to run this. Else what you can do, if you want to execute, just click on this execute. See, table sales is successfully created. Now you can see whether the table is created or not. Describe the table. Okay, describe the table and sales. So here you can see the table name, type, always. See, both are same only, like the web UI and this one, but instead of using web UI, so what you can do, you can work with VS Code. Now, suppose I want to insert some values. I want to insert some values. Okay, don't worry about these queries. You are going to learn line by line. Okay, but try to understand how it is going to work. Okay, that's it. Now we have inserted. Okay. Now you can see select star from sales. Select star from sales. See, this is my data. Okay. All the data it is displaying here. So this is how it is going to work. Now, suppose you are unable to access this system. So what you can do, you can go to your web UI. Okay, that's fine. Now, which database we are using now? So here it is a V8 Tech. Just to change it to ViVision. Select star from sales. See all the data it is displaying here. Okay, this is how you can practice. So far we have learned. Okay, so how to install MySQL and how to create Snowflake account and how to set up Snowflake account in VS Code. Okay, so going forward, I'm going to practice all the queries. Okay, by using VS Code or web browser. Okay, so even this is also going to work, but I'm going to work with cloud platform. Okay, Snowflake is one of the data warehouse platform, as well as it is mainly going to work with cloud, right? Okay, so anywhere I can access this. Okay, suppose my system is not working here. So if I have username and password, I can log in with my friend's laptop too. But if I practice everything here, I may miss some data if my laptop is not going to work. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.